But so Yankee Asante Kotoko and Bibiani Go Stars game no. 2 games a game here because the Obaje League in Ejina side game no so. Bibiani Go Stars better fi sa Asante Kotoko be no. And I say Asante Kotoko and so be bia so be kwako wini say the be Ghana Premier League no e be open to teams na e was ro aye Asante Kotoko, Heart of Lions, Bibiani Go Stars, Nations FC. Say and I will see one game no edifa.
Bismarck, Ghana Premier League over the weekend enter week number 32. Now
Onua FM 95.1.
We're league table now. Imoya ding pa. Bobo Kwani the Nations at Astro with 57 points. Bibiani Go Stars have 56 points. Heart of Lions have 54 points. And Asante Kotoko have 54. Heart of Folk have 49 with 9 points to battle out for. Now, so we games now, me taking one after the other. Said the beya and conform better say ye. This weekend, Nations FC bought FC Samates at home. Now, so we Nations FC since I'm about the Ghana Premier League anymore. They've never lost a game.
Onua FM 95.1.
Okay.
3 games are Omabo in the Ghana Premier League against FC Samates. Oma winning minu and Oma draw back. Now, on the 29th of December 2024, this season,
okay.
Wamo call Samara Boy and Samates Echo Ball 1-1. Ewa honum. But before that, Nations FC in the first season of Samates in the Ghana Premier League, and I say of Nations FC in the Ghana Premier League, no match Samates 2-0 bako. Ewa Dr. Kwame Chase Sports Complex.
Okay.
And no more share Samates 1-0. Ewa St. Chase Sports Arena. So this season, we mo to Samates and we mo kobo 1-1. Ewa sa game numu. And Solomon J and the opener. And Abrante Emmanuel no. Ete Kano. Edema FC Samates.
Okay.
And I say Nations FC. And Nations FC say there is a huge game between Bibiani Go Stars and Asante Kotoko, of which may change the dynamics of the game.
Okay.
And it's some person we win game now. At all costs, they will need to win against FC Samates.
Okay.
Of which I feel say doable.
Okay.
This weekend, ebeye din the Samates say, ombetimi akwa abrankese, no money Nations FC akopɛ draw crowd ho. I don't see it happening. So we follow Ghana Football Association, Ghana Premier League, for a while. You will know, say, clubs say, league ageno. When it becomes tight, they don't lose matches.
Okay.
And I see Nations FC winning that game against FC Samates.
Okay. Onua FM 95.1.
Now, Bando Heart of Lions, and so Eko Wenchi. Womane Wenchi Young Apostles, and Eddie Kobeni. Young Apostles in your promotion ever Ghana Premier League in this season. Okay. First season or more. First leg, Young Apostles etinefie. Heart of Lions etinefie. Eshe Young Apostles by 1-0.
Okay.
Now we Heart of Lions are almost in the reckoning because only 3 points.
Na separate you.
And I separate you any the top spot because I'm 54.
Okay.
And at near that top ewo 57 and 3 points per and a separate two among.
Okay.
Lions and him say a very crucial game so
95.1.
So boss our game we are Lions matches are aka ebeye Bechem United and Nations FC omobo Bechem United at home na makobo Nations FC away. Enti a very very crucial game.
Okay.
At the moment say again so one person more compete no mu the league now. And also mo ye nyo mu betimi bia said the be at least a draw and a win ebeko dia momo.
Okay.
Depending on the result of Nations FC and that of a year Bebeni Go Stars and Asante Kotoko.
Okay.
Say Heart of Lions ekobot draw. Na Asante Kotoko winning against Bebeni Go Stars. The likelihood say Heart of Lions be out of the competition.
95.1.
Say Go Stars winning. Now Heart of Lions winning. And also the Heart of Lions will still be in contention for the league. Then again, say Heart of Lions winning. Na Nations FC elusu. Na Bebeni Go Stars elusu. It means that Heart of Lions be 57. Asante Kotoko be 57. And 3 teams are pre the league, you know. Heart of Lions make okay. Only 1 point and they separate Bebeni Go Stars and then teams in a was So clearly they need to win at all costs. A draw ebe take them away from a year challenging for the title.
Okay.
Any Heart of Lions, any Young Apostles, one more game, you know. But Beswak, in truth, I think say a very difficult for Pando Heart of Lions.
95.
So betimi ako na wakwako winning a yes game no. Me feel say so we Young Apostles are yes. Young Apostles and so our relegation zone no. They also need 3 points. Said they be ya almost relegation no. Omo ebekem. It is our 37. No relegation no. Accra Lions our 35. Karela our 35. No Vision our 36. We are Young Apostles. You would want to win that game. Said they be at least relegation a threat no. Once you obey me a free mo ewo honum.
Okay.
Now measure Basake Holy Stars and Bechem United.
Okay.
Or therefore we league log in this one. Basake Holy Stars our 37 points. Bechem United our 43 points. Bechem United a win to
FM 95.1.
stay in the league. Or we need a pet. Or more 37 no. So we need Onua. Because what that so say Basake Holy Stars are or 43. Obenya 46.
Okay.
46 you know. There is no way any of the teams in there was here honum no. On between my baby two or my baby no. Because I got 9 points. Oh 36. Now person 46 we have 10 points to get there. And obviously so onya that 3 points now or you safe from relegation. And Basake Holy Stars and so I was 37 points.
Okay.
Onya sa 3 points now. Obenya barely 3 points and now 1 point. No the escape relegation.
Okay.
Based on the results Obenya and free other teams now. So I feel that that game also a very very crucial. But Bechem and enough for Suji Park no. And Basake Holy Stars one more abysmal performance away this season. So we are league log in the soa. Basake Holy Stars a year 43 points a year. But one more away performance is so poor that say a petima say the away performance and a judge league log now. And Basake Holy Stars relegation.
Okay.
Out of 15 matches, no, only 5 points. And on my pick 15 matches away, no. Basake Holy Stars every new 1, I draw 2, and we lose 12. And away performance there. Basake Holy Stars be more.
Okay.
But league in the baby drew. Everything is possible. And yami wanwa say Basake Holy Stars ebe tumako bechem na we kwa kunya eye draw
95.1
and so ewo eho no mo nkofo ni kwa Aduana Stars ni Lagos City's game no we play sky when esemoko goals be pie mo sa game no mo game we faso bi eni so Aduana Stars of 41 points Lagos City's are already relegated 9 points and aka league ni mu a e was so moje 25 points.
Okay.
Ontimi mpa Accra Lions so nya 9 points ni nyina because Accra Lions e was 35 10 points between Accra Lions and Lagos Cities. And there is no way Accra Lions ebetimi assign Lagos Cities betimi assign Accra Lions and Accra ho enti sa match no it holds no bearing. But Aduana Stars 41. Aduana Stars bet me afro the league log no with the last 3 games in Akano. Bet me afro sa league log no. And it's a who winner. Possibly bet win for Aduana Stars. But say oh Kofi Kesimwa, I would expect to say Obeko for a year goals in that particular game. And therefore, Vision FC ni Karela and so our relegation battle. I see Vision FC winning this game. Ewo near J Kreku, the second stadium. Ebe Diama Karela.
I also winning.
Sa match no. Vision for any bia ye. Say also mutimi winning sa match no. Because sa match we winning a. Oh 36. Karela ewo 35. Oshewa we be 2. We be drop ya ba. Accra Lions ko we need this weekend that oba be pound ho oba be send 9 until we Vision FC at all cost e was say witimi share sa match no. And I think that against Karela United Vision FC ebe pick that win no. Now game minimum say nkofo bebre e twen say me di hu nkomo e be any Gold Stars any Asante Kotoko table no say Kotoko win our plus of 3 goals. But Ghana Premier League, you know. Unim say head to head ni ejuma be 4 goals.
Goals, yeah.
Enti. So we had the first leg na. Asante Kotoko SC baby any goal start by 2-0. Yeah. Ewo baba ya Rasport Stadium. Se Kotoko she baby any goal starts Kotoko beko akoda Nations FC ase on the same points. 57. Okay. Supposedly, if Nations FC doesn't beat FC Samates,
Onua FM 95.1.
the Nations draw Emma Samates. Na Kotoko winia. Kotoko benya 57. Nations FC benya 58. And benya just 1 point between Nations FC and Asante Kotoko. Okay. Se baby any Gold Stars Asante Kotoko already over 56. Obenya 59. Se Nations FC and Samates anko 60 pointer. No okodronya 58. 1 point. Timani din ede Gold Stars. Eba be pane ho. Okay. Enti that Kotoko ni Bebeni Gold Stars game no. Very crucial to who wins the Ghana Premier League this season. Now, ewo Bebeni dance park. Asante Kotoko eko hobia onya goals. Okay. Oko hobia anytime bia Kotoko beko hono. The last 7 games are Kotoko abo against the Bieni Gold Stars. Kotoko winning 4, we draw 2, and we lose 1. Okay. Now say ofa ewo eye Bieni dance parka. Last season Asante Kotoko lose 2-1. Edema Bieni Gold Stars. Okay. We mo draw 2 seasons ago. Kotoko draw 1-1 ewo honom. When Gold Stars by Premier League no Kotoko ho ekoshomo by 1-0. So the last 3 games are Kotoko abo ewo the dance park no we lose baako and we draw baako and we win baako. Into Kotoko ewo antidotes playing at the Bibiani dance park. Okay. But this season Bibiani Gold Stars have been very, very, very good, especially when it comes to a home performance.
95.
So we are Asante Kotoko free. This season we need 12 matches at home. Gold Stars another team at home. Why are very good? Or 11 wins, 3 draws, 1 defeat. Okay. So it means that at home Oma is very, very good. Yeah. They've lost only 1 match. Omani mediama pe and this season at home Oma lose just 1 match in the Ghana Premier League. Okay. Enti dance park honomono Bebeni Gold Stars in the agro. The only defeat Omenya was against Karela United. Karela ekwashe omo. Okay. Enti enye easy. And they've drawn just 3 matches at that venue. Bebeni dance park. Okay. So it means that
since Kotoko Premier League.
No, this season. Okay. So it means that Kotoko betimi honum akonya very good result against Bibiani Gold Stars. If indeed Omo Epe 95.1 and that is where the magic ebeba. Now so we Kotoko away performance so this season, out of 15 matches away, Kotoko winning just 3. Ome lose 5 and Ome draw 7. Into Kotoko away win ratio very bad. But say Ome pick a draw away there. Kotoko beat me a pick a draw away. And then Ema game no a looky a bit in favor of Asante Kotoko.
Okay.
So Kotoko we need some match now. The likely we say Kotoko beji Ghana Premier League in hell. But I still maintain say go start Nations FC. Ebesha Samate this weekend. They are 60 points.
Okay.
So Nations FC Esha Samate this weekend equal 60 pointer. Best work. Nations matches are Akani. Ombebo Basake Holy Stars away. No matter about Pandu Heart of Lions. Home. These 2 matches in because Holy Stars every obey your points. Either a win or a draw will be good for Basake Holy Stars against Nations FC.
Okay.
Depending on Heart of Lions weekend results against Young Apostles. Say Heart of Lions echo winia. Heart of Lions will be nya GDB say. Sa last game no depending on the league log. So motivation Nations FC. Na so metima the league na. Ebe din e the man Nations FC say on measure omo. Say Nations FC or league log ne so na a win against Heart of Lions. Ebe tima mo the league. Nations FC ebe win this match no. So we are Nations FC in the game against Samates you need to win. And then against Basake Holy Stars, obviously you would have to work your socks off. Now I try to say Ubenya win. No, I think that this weekend Premier League and then the last 3 games of the Premier League, you know, be a showdown. It will go down the wire
for
the 3 teams in the Dasro, Kotoko, Gold Stars, Nations FC, and of course Pandu Heart of Lions. These 4 teams, you know. They will give us a photo finish of the Ghana Premier League, or therefore.
Heart of Oak, Obo Accra Lions.
Lions say here points in more than Heart of Oak. Heart of Oak league, you know, 49 points. Omuntimenji league, you know.
So Omuntimenji.
Oh, there be. Heart of Oak Intimenji league, you know.
Onua FM.
Nations FC and Lucy the matches in na. Say Heart of Oak 49. Say Onya 3 wins no enyina eka enhu a obenya 58 points. And anya sarete. Say last 3 matches na aka no.
Yeah.
O wini ni nyina obenya 58 points.
Obenya 58.
Nations e 57. So or draw 2 matches okura na has intimi mpa ne ho.
Okay.
Inti league no heart intimi nye. So just Nations lose all 3 matches. Na teams no mo da heart of focus no. Omo so lose omo matches ni nyina. And then the member had to folk 80 at the league, but how to folk bet me room or top 4.
Okay.
How to folk bet me to Asante Kotoko. Sekotoko lose the matches, no. Sekotoko lose 2 matches. Now how to folk winning the matches in na. Ebeye din dia ma how to folk so bet to Asante Kotoko.
95.1.
Because Kotoko enya 3 points. E de ka ho. Now to folk winning na. Has ba be pa Kotoko ho. E wo league no with 58 Kotoko ebenya 47. Se Kotoko lose 2 matches.
Okay.
Se Pandu Heart of Lions lose 2 matches. Now has enya 9 points na. How to folk ba be toso second. Se Gold Stars lose 3 matches ni nyina. Now so folk win the matches ni nyina. Has folk ba be toso second on the league log. But maybe a league in any matches na ho. There is no way these teams will lose all their 3 matches. NC. Maybe you're doing the league, you know. And the Heart of Oak only biggest challenge. And it's we need the matches to get into the top 4. But league in the air, Heart of Oak are out of the league. Even though and yet confirmed, but technically Heart of Oak are out of the league. I feel that against Accra Lions a year point to more than Heart of Oak. Looking at Lions relegation
95.1.
They might be relegated to Mulusu at the Heart of Oak. That's a vision essay. And as a Karela Koshe Bishina, the likelihood say Heart of Lions, Accra Lions won't bet Chiromo, and so Karela, the next game, Okakubo fee at home, the likelihood is over Shano Eho. Accra Lions will be away, the likelihood say Obeka Lusuno, and also Eho Honum. So, therefore, games in the year,
dreams in the ocean become Chelsea.
Dreams say here win no. So Dreams so baby order here or 43 points. Onya 3 points na 46 waka league di mu. Nti omo na brekum Chelsea nyina no. Chelsea no dey win here no more. But I think that for relegation no, like I said, from 37 Masaka Holy Stars no.
Young Apostles.
Young
Apostles.
Carella,
Accra Lions and Legon
Onua FM 95.1.
Okay.
Onua 95.1 FM. Yeah,